Previous session we have discussed about what is meant by class, what is meant by method, how to create an object for a class, and how to call a method. If it is a normal method, how can we call? We can create an object for this class, whichever the method we have, and we can create an object for the class, and we can call that particular method. That is what we have saw in the previous session. If it is a static method, how can I call the static methods? How can I call the static methods, guys? Directly by using class name, through class name. Yes, very good. If it is a method, normal method, I need to create object and call it. If it is a static method, directly I can call by using class name. If it is a constructor, if you just create an object, automatically the constructor will be called. That's the difference between method, static methods, and constructor. Method, static methods, and constructor. In the same way, first we have saw either methods can be overloaded. Yes, methods can be overloaded. Yes, methods can be overloaded. I can overload the methods. Oh, can we overload the static methods? Is it possible to overload the static methods? This is beginning. Can we overload the static methods? Yes. I am going to have a class called class. I'm going to have a class called class 5. Class 8. Public void. Okay. Similarly to this add methods, whatever I have overloaded earlier. This add method is a overloaded method. The same overloaded method, I can use it here. The same overloaded methods, whatever we have. I have copied and pasted. I'm going to make this as a static method. Can static methods be overloaded? Now, if I want to call the first add method 8.add 10, 20, it will automatically call the first add method 8.add 10, 20, 30. It will automatically call the second add method 8.add 10, 20. This is addition. It will automatically call the third add method. How to call this is now static methods also can be overloaded. How to call the Bangalore method? 8 e1 equal to new 8 e1 dot Bangalore. This is all. Can static methods be overloaded, guys? Yes. Yes, static methods can be overloaded. Take down this. Take down heading as static overloading and take down this. Yes, you can use it. You can use inside. The method name is same only here, right? Yes, you can use it, right? Hmm. Make it quick, quick. Take down heading as static overloading and take down this. No, let me look for some. Yeah. Okay. 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 So you can make it in two times also. Now we have to make 5,000 and next after 15, 20 days I will remain. After that we have to make 5 more thousand. Okay, 10,000. Okay. Then you can join at April 2nd batch. Now we have to continue in this batch, you have to pay 5,000 and you have to continue. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Fine, not a problem. We can join from April 2nd. Right. Okay. Have you completed, guys? First, we have saw whether methods can be overloaded. Yes. Then we have checked whether static methods can be overloaded. The same way, first we have some methods, static methods, and constructor. The same way, method overloading, static overloading. Can constructors be overloaded? Take down heading as constructor overloading. Click go to new, go to class, demo constructor overload. Demo constructor overload. System.out.println. This is beginning. I am going to have a class called class 9. To have a constructor also as 9. System.out.println. This is 9. 9 int a comma int b. Int c is equal to a plus b. System.out.println c. 9 int a comma int b comma int c. Int d is equal to a plus b plus c. System.out.println d. Public void Bangalore. System.out.println. This is Bangalore. Now, yes, this is how. If I run this, it will print only this is beginning. Right. If I create an object for 9 n1 equal to new 9, now what will be the output of this program? What will be the output of this program, guys? I'm not asking any explanation. I'm asking what is the output. This is beginning and this is 9 will be the output of this program. Yes. Because when you create an object, automatically the constructor will be called. I have two more constructors also. How to call the second constructor? First constructor it has called by default. Can I call n1.9? No. Constructors cannot be called with object. Then how to call it? If I pass two integers, automatically it will call the second constructor. Sir, I want to call both the first one and second one. In that case, what I can do? Create another object. 9n2 equal to new 9, 10 comma 20. Automatically it will call the second 9 constructor equal to new 9, 10 comma 20 comma 30. Automatically it will call the third 9 constructor. Third 9 constructor. Second 9 constructor, third 9 constructor. Now, if I want to call the Bangalore method, do I want to call with N1 or else do I want to call with N2 or else do I want to call with N3 or else can I call with any object or else do I want to call only with this? How? Or else do I want to create another object and call it? How to do that? Can I call with N1 or do I want to call with, can I call with N2? Yes, however you want, you can create, however you want, you can call it. Object is object always, however you create it. May you might create with parameters or without parameters, that doesn't matter. Object is object always. Okay. Take down heading as constructor overloading and take down this program. Take down heading as constructor overloading and take down this program. Have you completed, everyone? Okay, make it quick, quick. Okay, fine. Take down next heading is reversing a string in Java. Reversing a string in Java. Very, very important interview question also as well. Right click, go to new, go to class, demo, reverse. This is beginning. I am going to have a class called, okay, let it. Now, before learning reversing, I want to explain you about how for loop works basically. How for loop works. Loop. Now, I want to print from 0 to 100. So that what I can do, for I equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 100, I plus plus system dot out dot println I. Now, if I run this program, it will print from 0 to 100. It has printed from 0 to 100. Sir, how this for loop works basically? We need to understand that first. Let's see that. For I equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 100, I plus plus. This is the condition. System dot out dot println I. This is the program what I have written. Am I correct or not? This is what I have written there, right? See, initially what it does, it prints I as 0. Initially it prints as I equal to 0. Then it prints as I is equal to 0. Then it will increment the value to 1. I is equal to 1. I, it will increment to 1. Then it will check the condition. I is less than or equal, that is 1 is less than or equal to 100. The condition is correct. Then it will print it. Then it will increment to 2. It will increment to I plus plus, that is 2. Then it will check the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 100. Then it will print the value 2. Then it will increment to 3. Then it will increment, 3 is less than or equal to 100. Then it will print. Then it will increment to 4. 4 is less than or equal to 100. Then 5, 6, 7, 97, 98, 99, 100. 100 is less than or equal to 100. Then it will increment to 101. 101 is less than or equal to 100. The condition doesn't, so that it will exit the loop, so that it will print from 0 to 100. Everyone, have you understood this for loop, how it works? Yes. Don't tell again, sir, I am from non-IT background, sir, I cannot understand. Whenever you are not understanding, stop then and there itself and ask. Now, I is equal to 0. Now, it will print from 0 to 100. That is what it does. Now, I want to print from 100 to 0. 100 to 0 greater than or equal to 0. I plus plus. Greater than or equal to 0. I plus plus. Greater than or equal to 0. I plus plus. Equal to 0. I is equal to 0. Now, it will print from 100 to 0. It is printing from, oh, sorry. I've made some mistake. I have to break it. I is equal to 100. I minus minus. Sorry. I is greater than or equal. Now, if I run this, it will print from 100 to 0. First, it will print 100. Then it will decrement to 99. 99 is greater than or equal to 0. Then it will print yes. Then 98, 97, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0 is greater than or equal to satisfy. It will print 0. Then it will decrement to minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. No, the condition that is satisfied, so that it will. Understood how for loop works, everyone? Yes. Take down heading as for loop and take down this quickly. Next, I will teach you how to reverse the string. Guys, can we quickly reconnect the meeting once? Guys, can we reconnect, guys? Yes, someone have left out already. Okay, now let me comment this. Double slash is nothing but comment. I'm going to comment these lines of code. I'm going to comment these lines of code. I'm going to comment these lines of code. I'm going to have a string actual equal to ABCD. String expected equal to ABCD. Sorry, I don't want this. Okay. Inside this actual, I have Selenium. What it is stored inside this actual? What it is stored inside this actual, guys? Selenium is stored. If you want a proof, I will run this and I will show that Selenium is stored. System.out.println, I have printed this now. Inside this actual, Selenium is stored. See, whatever it is there inside this, I want to split this string into a different characters. S as one character, E as one character, L as one character, E as one character, N as one character, like that. I want to split that into a different characters. I want to split that into a different characters. S as one character, E as one character, L as one character, E, N, I, U, like that. I want to split that into a different character. Actual dot. There is a method called to-char array method. Actual dot to-char array method. To-char array method. What does this to-char array method returns? Actual dot to-char array method. What does this to-char array method returns? Anything which is next to colon is the return type. It returns a character array. See, I want to split that string into a different characters. In that case, in Java, there is an inbuilt method called to-char array method. This to-char array method is used to split that string, split the string into a different characters. Actual dot to-char array method which returns a character array. Since it returns a character array, I have to hold that in a character array. In a character array. Actual dot to-char array method which returns a character array. What it is stored inside this ARR of open brace and closed brace in the sense, inside this ARR of open brace and closed brace, ARR of open brace and closed brace, what it is stored in the sense, ARR of 0 is stored with S, ARR of 1 is stored with E, ARR of 2 is stored with L. All these things are stored like up to 6 or 7, whatever it is there. All these things are stored inside this ARR of open brace and closed brace. That is what the meaning of. If you want a proof, I can show you that proof also. ARR of 0, I'll show. Now it will print as yes. System.out.println ARR of 1. System.out.println ARR of 2. System.out.println ARR of 3. System.out.println ARR of 4. If you want to prove system.out.println ARR of 5. System.out.println ARR of 6. System.out.println ARR of 7. Now if I run this, Selenium, whatever it is there inside this Selenium, I am using two char array method and I am splitting that and I am storing it in a character array and I am printing the same thing here. Have you understood up to here, everyone? What it is there inside this ARR of open brace and close brace? Have you understood this? How indexing is done? Yes. Now what I am going to do? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Run this Selenium. That into a different character. Split that into a different character array. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, then repeating this line from 7 to 0, what I can do here is, let me take this for loop help. Now, from where to where it will print, for loop, where to where it will print? It will print from 7 to 1 now. What about 0? 0. Okay. Now I am not going to print I. I am going to print ARR of I. First it will print ARR of 7, ARR of 6, ARR of 5. Whatever it is there, it is going to print. Understood? Then repeat. Hmm. Wait, I will teach you that also. I didn't finish this topic yet. Wait. I know what you are asking. Wait for some time, another 5 more minutes. Have you understood up to here? I am asking. Yes. Now there are 7. Sorry, totally 8. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Totally 8. That's why I'm starting from 7 to 0. It will start with 0 based index always. Okay. Now, tomorrow there is Selenium training. Now, will it print the complete Selenium training in reverse order? No. Only if it is Selenium, it is printing that in the reverse order. If we give Selenium training, it is printing in the next line. Let me put it as system.out.print. Print ln is next line. System.out.print, it will print in the same line. If you have Selenium training tomorrow, will it print Selenium training in the reverse order? No, only Selenium it will print it. It starts from 7 to 0. Sorry, 7 to 0. This is what it will print. First 8 only it will print. M is 7, starting from 0. Space is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Totally there are 17. So that I have to give 16 because I am passing 0 based index here. 0 based index. If there are 8, I have to give 7. If there are 17, I have to give 16 because I am starting with 0 based index. Understood everyone here? Tomorrow, if there are many, each and every time, whenever I change the string, is it good to change the number here? Yes or no? No. That's why what I have to do, get the length of this string, actual dot length. What does this length method returns? It returns an integer. That is nothing but the length of that particular string. It will return in the form of integer. I don't know whether it prints 0 based index or 1 based index length. If I run this, it is printing as 17. If there are 17, it will print as 17. If there are 17, I have to give us 16. Okay. If there is 8, now if there is 8, it will print as 8. Okay. It will print as 8. But I have to give it as 7 here. But I have to give it as 7. If there is 8, if there is 8, I have to give it 7. If there is 16, 17, I have to give it 16. Always minus 1 I have to give because length method will return 0 based index. And here array will be starting, sorry, length method will return 1 based index. Array method will have 0 based index. To have a conflict between that, so that I am giving length minus 1. So that it will those many number of. Understood this guys everyone? Training, Selenium training. Whatever the string you pass here, that it will. Hope you guys have understood this everyone, right? Take down heading is reversing a string in Java and take down this. Have you completed this everyone? See, when you are practicing this topic also, right? You should not blindly by heart the program. Should not blindly by heart the program. What you have to do here is by heart the program. What you have to do first, understand this for loop. Park it aside, keep it somewhere. Then take a string, print that. Then split that into a different characters, print it. Then print that in the reverse order. Put that into your for loop. Then you will have the problem with the length. Take the length and print it. That is how you have to learn. By having anyone will do it. We have to understand the program and do it. Next, go to new, go to class, demo, if take down heading as if else condition and take down this. Take down heading as if else condition and take down this. System.out.println. This is beginning. This is beginning. I am going to have okay. Let me have a string actual equal to A B C D. Okay, before that, let me if actual if true system.out.println system.out.println this is success system.out.println this is failure, this is success and this is failure. Now if I run this, what could be the output of this program? If the condition is true, what will be the output of this program? This is success because I have hard coded the value as true. If I make it as false, what will be the output of this program? This is failure, success, and this is failure, success, and this is failure. This is failure, success, and this is failure. Okay. Now, hello, hello. Yes, they are in informatics. Okay. We don't want everything. We have already services. Hmm. Okay, what do you want now? I'm in meetings. What do you want? Okay, now If the condition is true, it will, if condition will get executed. If the condition is not correct, else condition will get executed. Okay. If I make it as not false, if I make it as not false, what will be the output of this program? Not false in the sense, what is equal to not false? Not false is equal to true. In that case, it will print us this is success. Not makes the condition completely opposite. Not makes the condition completely opposite. I'm going to make it as true. Okay. Not make the, not makes the condition completely opposite. If I make it as not true, what will be the output of this program? This is failure. Yes, this is failure. Not makes the condition completely opposite. Okay, let me do a small thing here. String actual equal to ABCD. Actual equal to ABCD. String expected equal to ABCD. Now, if both are same, I want to print as pass or else I want to print as fail. If actual dot equals expected, actual dot equals to expected. If both are same, now see what happens. It will print us this is success. It will print us this is success because both are same. Understood? Yes or no? Yes, it will print us this is success. It will print us this is success. Yes, this is success. Because both the condition is same. Now, actual dot equals. What does this equals method returns? What is the return type of this equal? This equal method, it returns boolean. Anything which is next to colon is the return type. It returns boolean. Actual dot equals to expected. Since this returns a boolean, I am going to hold that in a boolean. Boolean means true or false. See, actual dot equals to expected. Actual dot equals to expected. Instead of this, actual dot equals to expected is nothing but status. Instead of this actual dot equals to expected, what I can write? Instead of this actual dot equals to expected, I can write as status. See, if both actual and expected, if both are same, then the status will be stored as true. Then the status will be stored as true. Okay. If both are same, then the status will be stored as true. If both are same, the status will be stored as true. If both are not same, status will be stored as false. Now, if I run this, what will be the output of this program? It will print us this is success. What will be the status in this case? True. Okay. If both are not same, what will be the output of this program? This is failure. This is failure. What will be the status in this case? False. If it is not false, if condition won't get executed, okay, status will be false in this case. If I make it as not status, what will be the output of this program now? This is success because status is false. Not false in the sense the status becomes true. That is what it becomes. This is success. Okay. Take down heading as if else condition and take down this program.